If you have ADHD like me and you claimed your Gemini Pro on a wrong Gmail account, after the hype of free Gemini Pro subscription, you went on the Jio app and claimed it, then this video is for you. I found the fix, won't call it a fix, but a workaround after talking to support for like 20 minutes XD. It's gonna be a very easy fix. Just go to myaccount.google.com and here go to manage family settings. On the left you'll see. Now change your email to the one you have claimed Gemini Pro on. Just click here. Wait for it to load. After that, send an invitation. Just the email you want the Gemini's access on, just type in the mail here and give it the invitation. Then go to your Gmail, accept the invitation. After that, go to Google AI Pro plan, just to the left of your screen. And here, click on Manage Membership. After that, click on Manage Family Settings and here you'll see Share Google One with the family. Just enable it and you'll have access to the other emails you added on that family settings. That's the only workaround I can find, and there's nothing you can do if you have claimed it on a wrong email except this, and this works flawlessly with other emails. So don't worry about it, just add your family member and enable the Share Google One with family. Just make sure you're on the email that you claimed on and add the second email you want. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, peace out.